This tutorial will show you how to run the course list report, get it into Excel, and use it to check some things. First of all, obviously, make sure you're at the right school in the right scheduling year. And if you slide over on the left-hand navigation page in PowerScheduler, you're going to scroll down until you see the reports option, which is the one at the very bottom. Click on that. You see the list of pre-built reports you have. You're going to run the course list today is what we're covering. So from course list, we want the output in English. We're going to hit submit, and it's going to make you your course list. Now, some reports they've made, it's kind of cool. I can click on this, these headers are active, so I can click on schedule, and I can see these are marked not to schedule. I can see these are marked to schedule. So it's a workable list that way, but you're going to be better off bringing it into Excel. Now, unfortunately, on a Mac, on the Macs we have, you're going to have to come down to the bottom right and then click and drag up to highlight everything. The reason for this, I don't know another way to do and get everything highlighted quickly on a Mac unless they do some software upgrade I don't know about. Once you have everything highlighted, we're going to right click, or whatever right click is on a Mac, and copy the highlighted data. I'm going to open Excel. I'm going to come to the top left column in Excel, right click, and I'm going to use this feature that says match destination formatting, and everything should be good. You can get it so all the headers are in a line, so you want to try and find that exact copy feature. Then you're going to make this so it's usable. This is your course number. That's the name of the course. This is whether you have it scheduled or not, what department it's in, your class max, how many sections there are. You should see 0. We haven't done any teacher assignments yet. How many periods per meeting the class is, so that's part of its course shape, and that's the frequency as well, and the periods per cycle. What are the valid start periods? Scheduling terms, that sets itself based on what you set here. So if it's a year-long class, 1920 is the appropriate year term. For some reason, this class does not have a valid term, so that's something that we're going to have to look at. I think we just pre-scheduled it is why. But that's one thing you want to check. Make sure all the valid terms are correct. Is there a facility for the class? What's its load priority? The zeros hopefully are new classes. Are there teaming? Is it using section types? How many sections to offer you can ignore, and what its course rank is right now you can ignore. But you could run this list and you could sort by Excel, see if there's anything missing in a department, if the max class sizes are too high, too low, whatever the case is. I'm going to assume here, seeing history of the Holocaust as a max class size of 36. My best guess, you had 36 kids sign up for the class last year, and you decided to have one section and make it that. Or you had 72 kids sign up, so that's the best way you could get that done. So that's a quick tutorial on the course list report, how it works and how you can get into Excel and how you can use it.